নমস্কাৰ জয় জয়তে আজিৰ এই অনুষ্ঠানৰ মাধ্যমেৰে মৰমৰ ককা আইতাসকলক মোৰ শ্ৰদ্ধা আৰু অভিনন্দন জ্ঞাপন কৰিলোঁ। ককা আইতাসকল আমাৰ বাবে জীৱনৰ আশীৰ্বাদ স্বৰূপ। তেওঁলোক আমাৰ ঘৰৰ মুখ্য ভেটি, যিয়ে সকলো সময় আমাক ধৰি ৰাখে। ককা আইতা, আপোনালোকৰ উপস্থিতি তথা আশীৰ্বাদ আমাৰ কাৰণে শ্ৰেষ্ঠ উপহাৰ। আমাৰ বিদ্যালয় NPS ইণ্টাৰনেশ্যনেল স্কুলে প্ৰত্যেক বছৰ ককা আইতাৰ সন্মানাৰ্থে ককা আইতাৰ দিন অথবা গ্ৰেণ্ড পেৰেণ্টছ ডে উদযাপন কৰে। বৰ্তমান এনে পৰিস্থিতিত এই বছৰ আমি অলপ বেলেগ ধৰণে অনলাইন এই অনুষ্ঠান আয়োজন কৰিছোঁ। অনুষ্ঠান উপস্থাপনাৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত অনেক ভুল ভ্ৰান্তি হ'ব পাৰে, যাতে সকলোৱে দুখ মৰিহণ কৰে। তাৰেই কামনা কৰিলোঁ। সদৌ শেষত পুনৰ মই শ্ৰদ্ধা জনাই অনুষ্ঠানৰ শুভ আৰম্ভণি কৰিব লৈছোঁ। ধন্যবাদ।
चाह कर भी जुदा नहीं रह सकेंगे, चाह कर भी जुदा नहीं रह सकेंगे, रूठ कर भी दादाजी आपसे खफा नहीं हो पाएंगे। हम प्यार ही कुछ ऐसे निभाएंगे, हम प्यार ही कुछ ऐसे निभाएंगे, हमारे बिना आप एक पल भी नहीं रह पाएंगे। सुप्रभात। आज मैं शाहिना इकबाल इस शुभ पावन अवसर पर आप सभी का हार्दिक स्वागत करती हूँ। कोविड-19 के इस मुश्किल घड़ी में NPS इंटरनेशनल स्कूल आपके चेहरे पर एक मुस्कान की लकीर खींचने की कोशिश कर रहा है। उम्मीद करते हैं कि इस कोशिश पर हम कामयाब उतरेंगे। धन्यवाद।
Good morning, Suprabhat, Namaskar, Vanakkam, Assalamu alaikum, and a warm welcome to one and all present over here. Education is not acquisition of knowledge, but formation of character. We roll down a red carpet of welcome to the dignitaries, grandparents and invitees, well-wishers and my dear friends. It's an honor that this beautiful audience have gathered here. I, Priyanshi, with my co-host Rihan, once again welcome you all on behalf of the whole NPS International School on this auspicious day. We, the students of grade 4, are delighted to have our dearest grandparents as our valued audience today. It makes the day filled with joy for us, as we love you all and we are looking forward to present before you Grandparents' Day. Let's take the privilege of welcoming you all to NPS International School. I extend a hearty welcome to the Honorable Founder Director Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am and Chief Guests, our dearest grandparents, for today's program. The virtual lighting of the ceremonial lamp marks the beginning of this auspicious occasion and attracts Goddess Lakshmi. True prayer is neither a mere mental exercise nor vocal performance. It is far deeper than that. It is a spiritual transaction with the Creator of heaven and the earth. So friends, let's start our day with the blessings of our Almighty, followed by word of the day and thought of the day. So everyone join your hands and close your eyes and repeat the Guru Brahma followed by the morning prayer. Guru Brahma, विष्णु गुरुदेवा महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परम ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुदेव नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us those who sin against us. Do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from all evil. Amen. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all present here. I am Ishan Bushra of grade 4B, and I am going to say the word of the day for today's celebration. Today's word is gratitude. It is spelled as Gratitude. Its meaning is the quality of being thankful. Its synonyms are thanks, appreciation, etc. It can be used in a sentence like gratitude is the sign of noble souls. I repeat my word, gratitude. Thank you.
सुप्रभात। मेरा नाम जय ककवानी है। मैं कक्षा 4 की छात्रा हूँ और मैं आज आपके सामने आज का शब्द प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। आज का शब्द है कृतज्ञता। कृतज्ञता महसूस करना और इसे व्यक्त न करना ठीक ऐसे ही है जैसे एक उपहार को ढके रखना और इसे न देना। धन्यवाद।
नमस्कार, मैं कौस्तुभ बरुवा। আজি মুখ্য শব্দ হল কৃতজ্ঞতা। অৰ্থ হল অন্তৰৰ পৰা ধন্যবাদ জনোৱা। বাক্যত প্ৰয়োগ কৰিলে মৰমৰ ককা আইতাসকলক আমি অন্তৰৰ পৰা কৃতজ্ঞতা জনালো। ধন্যবাদ।
Good morning to one and all present here. I am Arish Kosher from grade 4B. Today I am standing here to say the thought of the day. Today's thought is, love is the greatest gift that one generation can leave to another. This is a famous quote by a famous author, Mr. Richard Garnett. It is believed that grandparents are the blessings of God. Grandparents are true believers in dreams. They are the ones who push us to see dreams. Our grandparents always take care of us, so we feel safe. They touch our lives with loving care right from very start and teach us to love and respect anyone. Thank you.
सुप्रभात। मेरा नाम देवांश शर्मा है। मैं कक्षा 4 में पढ़ता हूँ। मैं आज आपके सामने आज का सुविचार पर प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूँ। दादा दादी और नाना नानी के आशीर्वाद ने हमें सफल बनाया है। जीवन की तीखी धूप में हमेशा उनके आशीषों का साया है। हैप्पी ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स डे। थैंक यू।
নমস্কাৰ, মই হৰ্ষিতা কাশ্যপ। আজিৰ দিনটোৰ মুখ্য বাণী হ'ল, সময়ৰ গতিত সকলো পৰিৱৰ্তন হৈ যায়, কিন্তু সদায় অপৰিৱৰ্তিত হৈ ৰয় ককা আইতাৰ মৰম আৰু আশীৰ্বাদ। ধন্যবাদ।
Our day seems to be incomplete without a short speech on Grandparents' Day, followed by welcome speech, welcome song and welcome dance.
To everyone present over here, I am Priyanshu Bhuya, and today I am going to deliver a short speech on Grandparents' Day with my friends Samriddhi and Aditya. India is a country where not only parents but grandparents are been worshipped and paid honor. Paying honor to the grandparents has started from the Vedic period. Since that generation, it has been transferred into our culture. Having grandparents is the most wonderful gift by God to the grandchildren. They are only the ones who have made our parents the way they are. Grandparents are the main support of any family. There is a special obligation that the grandparents share with the grandchildren, and it gets stronger with the family root. They are very experienced and knowledgeable and share their lessons of their precious life with us and new generations to help them grow.
They serve their children and grandchildren selflessly and help them to become a better person. Thank you.
The bond between grandparents and grandchildren cannot be described in words. Grandparents not only give birth to good habits and moral values in children, but when they enjoy unlimited, they become their friends. For grandparents, their grandchildren are their whole world. They have raised their children. Thus, grandparents have played their role twice. An innings played well and still played another well. They have tremendous patience and unlimited supply of love and care. Their priceless advice, insights, tendency and judgment from the unmatched. Grandparents and parents live well neat and children have beautiful intentions in lifestyle. Therefore, it is necessary for every one of us as a member of our family to take great care of each other, while parents try to provide all that they can give to their child for all-around development. Their life is incomplete without their grandparents.
Our grandparents need nothing more than our love and our time that we share our accomplishments. May help them with their speed to their best friend or watch a movie on YouTube. They are just trying to catch up with our generation. So, they are the most adorable, most intelligent, little forgetful, adorable people who we all are thankful for. Thank you, grandparents, for being a part of the life of your grandchildren. I hope your cherished support will stay with us like a pillar of light. Your guidance and your love always make us strong every day. A very happy Grandparents' Day to all our dear grandparents. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Very good morning to all my beloved grandparents, teachers and all my dear friends. I am Sanvi Chaudhary of grade 4A. Today I am going to sing a song. The name of the song is Humko Man Ki Shakti Dena.
ग्रंथगीताय ग्रंथगेयाय ग्रंथान्तरात्मने गीतलीनाय गीताश्रयाय गीतवाद्यपटवे गीतचरिताय भ्रमराय गायकाधीन विग्रहाय गंगाजलकनयपते गौरी प्रणयाय गौरी प्रवणाय गौरभाय धीमहि सहस्राय गोवर्धनाय गोपगोपाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
I, Rehan of Grade 4, the co-host of today's program, welcome all my dearest green parents once again. Poem is when an emotion has found its thought and thought has found words. So let's hear a beautiful Assamese poem followed by a beautiful dance number, abbreviations on green parents and Hindi poem.
Namaskar, Murna Madhyanshu Kashyap, সকলো ককাইতা মৰম আৰু শ্ৰদ্ধা জনাই আজি এটা কবিতা আবৃত্তি কৰিবলৈ লৈছো। মোক সহযোগ কৰি দিছে মোৰ সহপাঠী উৎপলাক্ষী। কবিতাটোৰ শিৰোনাম হ'ল ককাইতা। এই আমাৰ ককা 80 বছৰীয়া হৌ আমাৰ আইতা ককাৰ সমনীয়া সুতৰি গাৰচাৰ মৰাপাত হেনচুলি পুৱাই উঠি চাহপাতিৰ বাবে থাকে আশা পালি। ধন্যবাদ।
ককাই কয় মোক তেওঁৰ অতীতৰ কথা, আইতাই শুনাই মোক ধুনীয়া সাধু কথা। লাখুটিত ভৰ দি দুয়ো খুপি খুপি যায়, পাণ তামোল খুন্দনাত খুন্দি খুন্দি খায়। ধন্যবাদ, নমস্কাৰ।
life.
R for remember special occasion.
A stands for our family historians.
N stands for never run out of hugs.
D delighted in telling stories.
P for provide wings and roots.
E means our family historian.
R stands for relive every moment with us.
E means encourage big dreams.
N for never run out of the hugs.
T teach things no one else can.
S stands for share value and memory.
कौन हूँ मैं, क्या नाम है मेरा, मैं कहाँ से आया हूँ, स्वप्निल झा है नाम हमारा, नानी नानी का मैं दुलारा हूँ। कौन हूँ मैं, क्या नाम है मेरा, मैं कहाँ से आया हूँ, स्वप्निल झा है नाम हमारा, नाना नानी का मैं दुलारा हूँ। नानी जब आएगी खूब खिलौने लाएगी, नाना जी जब आएंगे टॉफियाँ दिलाएंगे। नानी जब आएगी खूब खिलौने लाएंगी, नाना जी जब आएंगे टॉफियाँ दिलाएंगे। नानी माँ ओ नानी माँ, नाना जी ओ नाना जी, नानी माँ ओ नानी माँ, नाना जी ओ नाना जी। नानी जब आएगी दूध जलेबी लाएगी, उन प्यार भरे हाथों से वो हमको वो खिलाएगी। रातों रात में वो हमको परियों की कहानी सुनाएंगी, परियों की कहानी सुनाएंगी। Thank you.
The dance is a poem of which each moment is a word. So to enjoy each moment of the steps, I would request my friends to present a dance number followed by English poem and alumni.
जाएगी बहार, होने लगेगा आसमान, होने लगेगा आसमान।
काठी पे घोड़ा
Today we are standing here to recite a poem on Grandparents' Day. A smiling face, a warm embrace, a hand to hold when I am cold, 2 arms that hold me oh so tight, and I wish good dreams to me at night. A heart full of love and care, I thank the world that you are there. Grandparents are the greatest people in the world, near or far, wherever we are. You all will be my shining star. For all the times I forgot to thank you, for all special little things you do, for all the words that sometimes go unspoken, need to say, I love you both. I do. I love the way you stop and listen, and for support, for kind support throughout the year, for teaching me the meaning of compassion and sharing in my trips and my tours. And if I may seem ungrateful sometimes, I say I truly hope you see that nothing you have done has been forgotten, and day by day you just mean more to me. We all love you. Happy Grandparents' Day.
The farm. When fall comes to the hills and the evening fills the valley with the sounds of small things, stars winking dance like fireflies, and the great and the small become indistinguishable in the singular privacy of woods. Then the sky goes red, like the sun behind an eyelid, and I search the ways of my grandfather, covered by autumn's gone in the fallen leaves. My path, too, closes behind me, under these brief winks, but not before I see him once more, watching another moment stretch into eternity, and stars dance in the long grass where dark things move. Giving in. The barn used to be red. It was giving in to the bare woods around it, graying like autumn, giving in to winter. It's still standing, and so is my grandfather. And giving in is always the hardest thing. Becoming the gift, a home made of every nook, barn swallows and nests of mud, great pigeons under the eaves, field mice, the possum hanging in darkness of the loft, being empty and reclaimed. Both lean under the weight of a widening sky. My grandfather smiles. The door wedged open for me to slip in, find myself a place. For my only living grandfather, you already know this poem. In it, we are standing near the old storm cellar, and our hands smell like gun oil, our breath still heavy with the morning's fried eggs and coffee. Our boots and jeans are wet from the long grass on the hill coming up from the barn, where we've just rummaged the morning away for an old horseshoe you promised I could take home to hang over my door. We look back suddenly, hearing speckled gray pigeons spill from the loft and rise past the clearing on higher up the mountain. We take it as a sign that our luck has been granted anyway. Soon we'll bend both our bad backs together and pry open the old storm cellar door and peer into the darkness once before you go on down alone to check one last place to find something I can keep. Breaking the yolks. Grandma struck a match to light the burners of her old white stove. Bent apologetically, hefting the cast iron skillet onto blue flames. Each of her eggs a distinct shade of brown. She made 2 plates of toast, one burnt for Father, one hardly melting its butter for Mother, and Brother and I chose then and there our genetic allegiance, burnt or buttered. We all had fried eggs, but I was the one to ask Grandma to break my yolks, fry them hard. She hesitated, fork poised over seamless golden eyes, ashamed to blind them, a mistake, perhaps. But then, her skillet had room to accommodate all of us. And she did it.
The people around us who act as the world's best mentor, best friend, and who are our first love of our life. Words become short when I think of defining my feelings for them. So, to put my thoughts into a form, I would now request Sanchi Chopra to present a PPT presentation for our beloved grandparents, followed by a melodious song.
सुप्रभात, मैं सांची चोपड़ा कक्षा 4 की विद्यार्थी हूँ। आज हम सभी यहाँ इस दिन इकट्ठा हुए हैं जिसे हम दादा दादी नाना नानी दिवस के रूप में मनाते हैं। इस विद्यालय में पढ़ते हुए छोटे और बड़े बच्चों के माता पिता और दादा दादी नाना नानी का स्वागत करने का सौभाग्य आज मुझे मिला है। मैं आज यहाँ उपस्थित हर किसी का दिल से स्वागत करती हूँ। दादा दादी हो या नाना नानी, उन सभी का अपने नाती पोतों के जीवन में बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका होती है। दोनों परिवारों के माता पिता समान रूप से बच्चों को पोषित करते हैं, प्यार करते हैं और उनके साथ रहने के लिए हमेशा उत्सुक रहते हैं। हमारे दादा दादी नाना नानी एक पुस्तकालय है, हमारे निजी गेम सेंटर है, सर्वश्रेष्ठ रसोइयाँ हैं, सर्वश्रेष्ठ समर्थन देने वाले व्यक्ति हैं, अच्छे शिक्षक हैं और वह हमारे लिए मदद के लिए हमेशा खड़े रहते हैं। हमारे माता पिता के माता पिता यानी दादा दादी और नाना नानी, जिन्होंने हमारे माता पिता को पाल पोस कर बड़ा किया है और जो हमारे लिए भी बहुत अद्भुत सहायक है। उनके चेहरे पर आई झुर्रियाँ ये सबूत है कि वह हमारे घरों में सबसे अधिक अनुभवी लोग हैं। इसीलिए हम बच्चों के लिए यह बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है कि हम उनके साथ जुड़े, सीखें और फिर हमारे जीवन का निर्माण करें। अगर हम ऐसा करते हैं तो हम अधिक मजबूत और अच्छे इंसान बनेंगे। आइए अब हम सब अपने दादा दादी और नाना नानी के साथ बिताए हुए कुछ सुनहरे पलों को देखते हैं।
दोस्तों के साथ फोन पर, आईपैड, एक्सबॉक्स और पार्टियों में ज्यादा व्यस्त रहते हैं, पर हमें इन सब के साथ साथ हमारे दादा दादी, नाना नानी के लिए भी कुछ समय निकालना चाहिए। उन्हीं की वजह से हमें इतना प्यारा बचपन मिला है। उनके कारण ही हमारे पास अच्छे नैतिक मूल्य है। उन्होंने हमें बिना शर्त प्यार करना सिखाया है, धैर्य रखना सिखाया है, उठना और उस समय प्रयास करना सिखाया है जब सब कुछ असंभव लग रहा था। हमारे दादा दादी, नाना नानी को प्यार से ज्यादा कुछ नहीं चाहिए और थोड़ा सा हमारा समय जिसमें हम उनके साथ अपनी उपलब्धियों को साझा कर सके। उन्हें व्हाट्सएप पर भजन चलाना या अपने दोस्तों को भेजना सिखा सके या वीडियो कॉल करना सिखा सके या यूट्यूब पर मूवी देखना सिखा सके। वह हमारी पीढ़ी के साथ चलने की पूरी कोशिश कर रहे हैं। एक ऐसा घर जहां बड़ों को सम्मान और आदर मिल रहा हो, वहां खुद भगवान रहते हैं। दादा दादी, नाना नानी प्यार का जीवन चक्र है। किसी ने एक बार कहा था, वे थोड़े से माता पिता हैं, थोड़े से शिक्षक हैं और थोड़े से दोस्त हैं। धन्यवाद। All of you
listen. Let's start eating. Have some garam rotis. Mon and Sumi, ebu thua, agat khai lua.
Wait, Aita, wait. 1 more minute and I'll win this game.
Aita, wait now. Let me finish today's Baiju task.
Can we have a peaceful dinner? But Devta, we are having a peaceful dinner.
Baha, khawna koriba. Yes, Devta. What can be more peaceful than this?
Do you call this peaceful? Where you all stuck? With your gadgets? Do you even know we also have a life? Devta, this is our life, and in today's life, we need our gadget more than anything.
Ma, give me the rotis. I will. Sumi and Mon, keep your phone intact and go and wash your hands.
Tumi okoman hantu huasun. Ako nale pipi hai hobo. Khai lua etia. Khuasun khua.
Hello? Yes. Ki? What is he here? Okay. I'll try to arrange tomorrow's tickets.
What happened?
Parojina, my friend Rajiv, who lives in Delhi, has met with an accident. His wife and 2-month-old son are all alone there. Both of us should rush there tomorrow.
Yes, sure. You go and arrange for tickets. I will go and pack. Sumi and Mon, you will stay here with Ma and Devta. Sumi, you will look after Mon and don't annoy Koka and Aita.
Buari, don't worry. Both of you go and take care of Rajiv and his family. Rajiv is like my second son. May God bless him with a long life.
Are tickets available? Should I call my travel agent? Nalage Devta, I can do online.
Ma and Papa, come back soon.
Don't worry, we will not trouble Koka and Aita. We will miss you.
Be good and don't neglect your studies. Ma, Devta, we are leaving.
Keep us informing about Rajiv's condition. Sure, I'll call you after reaching Delhi.
Bye.
होगी सारी पेस्ट्रीज खत्म हो गई।
कोई बात नहीं, नो प्रॉब्लम, पर प्रॉब्लम तो है। मुझे भी
ये लो ऑगी।
ये ले मम्मी, मिर्ची पाव खाओ। I just love hot dog। ये तो कुछ
Sumi, beta, what are you doing?
I am doing maths homework. I am not able to solve this sum, so I am searching for the solution in Google.
Show me. Maybe I will be able to help you.
Koka, you?
Show me. What is that your Google knows? And I don't know.
Which
one,
Koka?
Sumi?
Koka, this
some.
Aita, move, I will miss my cartoon.
What are you watching? I have more stories in my stock to tell about little Krishna, Hanuman and many more which you have not seen in your cartoon.
Really, Aita? Tell me please.
Do you know the name Hanuman actually means disfigured Joe in Sanskrit?
See, Sumi, your sum is solved.
Yes! Koka, you are the best. I love you, Koka.
साथियों, पिछले 2 दिनों से देश के अनेक भागों में लॉकडाउन कर दिया गया है। राज्य सरकार के इन प्रयासों को बहुत गंभीरता से लेना चाहिए।
What will happen now? My children are in Delhi and we are here.
Koka, what will happen now?
Mama and Papa are going to come. Don't worry, children. Let me see what can be done.
Hello?
Hello, Ma. Have you heard about the 21 days lockdown? How are you all? Don't worry about us. First, check your stock of food and arrange everything.
Ma, don't panic. Everything will be fine. We will try to reach Guwahati in whatever way possible and take care of Sumi and Mon. Yes. We heard about 21 days lockdown. Don't worry, we are fine. Mon and Sumi are safe.
লোৱা দেউতাৰ লগত কথা পাতা।
হেল্ল', কেনেকুৱা আছা তোমালোক? ভালে আছানে? ৰাজীৱ কেনেকুৱা আছে? ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে। Okay, you two, take care of yourselves as well as Rajiv and his family. I will go and buy the groceries and some vegetables as the shops are open till 11 PM tonight. Diya rakho diya.
অকল যি মুখত চেলিটো পৰে কি ধুনীয়া লাগিছে। পিছে চুলি খোল না, বেছি বিউটিফুল লাগিব। পকা চুলি ঢাকি ৰাখিছো, খোলেগো। মই কৈ আছো কালাৰ আপডাল লোৱা কালাৰ ডকুৰ বেছি এলোভেৰাৰ আপডাল নতুন ভোল্টেজ এক্সপাৰ্ট ৰিচ প্ৰেমেৰে ইয়াৰ নো মোনিয়া প্ৰেমেডিয়ে ৰিচ কালাৰ আৰু চুলি দেখাই সব।
Aida, I don't want to watch TV. Your stories are more interesting.
Okay.
Sumi, show me how to pay the electric bill online.
Sure, Koka.
It's been so many days I have not seen my children.
Aida, do you want to talk to Ma, Papa and Peggy as well?
But Sumi, how is that possible? Your parents are at Delhi and your Peggy and their family are at Bangalore.
My Sumi is very smart.
And me? You are my laddu.
I will do a conference call.
Khuna sun khuna, there is a call from Sumi. It is a group video call. Come here. Maybe Ma and Devta wants to talk to us. Yes, sure. Pihu, oh Pihu, come fast. There is a video call from your Sumiba. Your Aida and Koka wants to talk to you. I want to talk. Give me the phone. Okay, Pihu. Let me first pick up the call. Sumi, how are you all? How are Ma and Devta? And how is my little Mon?
Hello Sumiba. How are you all? How are Koka and Aida? Let me see them.
Peggy, it's a conference call. Ma and Papa are also here.
How are you, Marjani? Why are you looking so pale? Where is my little Pihu? Kiman din hoy gol? Tumar logok dekhai nai.
Raisa, you have again started? From which angle you are seeing her pale?
Hi Pihu, how are you? You know, Aida tells me stories every day about little Krishna, Hanuman and many more. I have stopped watching TV nowadays.
Wow, my Mon has grown up. I am very happy to hear that you have stopped watching TV. Grandma is taking very good care of you. Sumi, what about your studies? How are your online classes going on?
Don't worry, Papa. My online classes are going on fine, and Koka is helping me with my homework.
And Sumi has taught me to do online payments and also to do online shopping so that I don't have to go out in this situation. Wow, Sumi is really smart. You have really made your Koka tech savvy. It is really the need of the hour. Dada and Bo, I was really worried when this lockdown started, as Ma and Devta were alone with Mom and Sumi. But now I'm relieved. Ma, don't worry about us. We are fine, and I am not at all looking pale. I am sitting at home eating.
Koka Aida, do you know my online classes are also going on? I am learning new poems. I will recite a poem, record it and send it to you. Love you, Koka and Aida.
Okay, Pihu. We will do the recording and send it to Koka and Aida.
Okay.
What happened, Aida?
Nothing, Sumi. Your Aida is just too happy today.
Oh, Aida. Oh, Koka.
मिस सेंटा क्लॉज का घर कहाँ है? छत पे। हमें भी वहाँ ले चलिए ना। आओ तुम भी चांद पे ले जाए, प्यार भरे सपने सजाए, छोटा सा बंगला बनाए, एक नई दुनिया बसाए। आओ तुम भी चांद पे ले जाए, प्यार भरे सपने सजाए, छोटा सा बंगला बनाए, एक नई दुनिया बसाए। आओ तुम भी चांद पे ले जाए, प्यार भरे सपने सजाए, छोटा सा बंगला बनाए, एक नई दुनिया बसाए। आओ तुम भी चांद पे ले जाए। प्यार की है दुनिया, दूर आसमां पे, मिलके ना बिछे कोई वहाँ पे, ऐसे भी ऐसा भी एक नजर है।
I feel this lockdown is a blessing from Ma and Devta. They got so much time to spend with Mon and Sumi. Ma and Devta have always wanted this.
Yes, in a way you are right. Their bonding has grown strong. I also want to go to Guwahati now. I also want to listen to Aita's stories and eat delicious dishes made by her. We will surely go to Guwahati. Let everything become normal once. Okay.
I am relieved now. Sumi and Mon are well adjusted with Ma and Devta, and they are all safe there.
Yes, and Devta has learned the use of technology. I am happy for that.
Maybe we needed this lockdown to understand each other better. I am sad that I am away from my children, but on the other side, I am happy to see the bond between my children and their grandparents has grown up so much.
You are right. Let us wait for the upliftment of the lockdown so that we can fly back to home. After all, home that our feet may leave, but not our hearts.
I am Riza Mazarika and I played the role of Grandfather Koka.
I am Reza Das and I played the role of Grandmother Aita.
I am Himalaya Latta and I played the role of Father.
I am Varjuna Kalita and I have played the role of Mother. I am Pooja Nandi and I have played the role of Granddaughter Sumi.
I am Siddha Singh and I have played the role of Grandson Mon. I am Deveshi Agarwal and I have played the role of Pehi.
I am Sanvi Naik and I have played the role of Granddaughter Pihu.
I am Kushal Boro and I have played the role of Uncle.
Thank you.
के सारे गामा को लेकर गाते चले, सारे के सारे गामा को लेकर गाते चले। पापा नहीं है धामी सी दीदी, दीदी के साथ है सारे, सारे के सारे गामा को लेकर गाते चले। तुम भी गाओ। ऐसे नहीं, बोलो में गाओ।
सारे के सारे गामा को लेकर गाते चले, पापा नहीं है धामी सी दीदी, दीदी के साथ है सारे, सारे के सारे गामा को लेकर गाते चले।
Present here. I am Shantanath of grade 4B and I am here today to show my gratitude towards all the people because of whom the program has been possible. First, I would like to thank the management of NPS International School and the Vice Principal Academy, Mrs. Papri De Bhattakur, to give us a chance to organize this program for our beloved grandparents. I would also like to thank Gregory sir for teaching us such a beautiful song to perform in the program. Here, I will also thank all my friends and their parents for their wholehearted cooperations and support. Last but not the least, I would now like to thank the class teachers of all the 4 sections of grade 4. Shweta ma'am, Barnali ma'am, Saima ma'am and Shaina ma'am, without whom this program wouldn't have been possible. Thank you all.
On behalf of NPS International School and entire school fraternity, we would like to extend sincere thanks to all the parents, children, our chief guest, our grandparents for making today's event a resounding success. With all your blessings and cooperation, we are able to make today's event successful. We also like to extend hearty vote of thanks to all the grandparents who spared their time to grace the occasion. We would like to make a special mention here, since we are bound to make this program virtually due to ongoing pandemic situation. So we would like to specially thank Mr. Samir Bargunia, who helped us with the technical part of the event. Thank you so much, sir.
An event like this cannot occur overnight. The wheel started rolling weeks ago. It required precision, planning and bird's eye for detail. We are, however, fortunate enough to have been backed by a very proactive and dedicated team of parents, grandparents and children. We are short in words to thank them for their willingness and completion of their tasks much beyond their comfort zone. Last but not the least, we thank each and every one of you who have made this program memorable for all of us. Thank you.